In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Thinkorswim account. To get started, head to Thinkorswim on the web. Before you can actually use Thinkorswim, you first need to open a Schwab brokerage account because Thinkorswim is accessed through Schwab. This is the foundation of the whole setup. So if you do not already have an account, that will be your first step. When you begin the account opening process, make sure you have the basic information and documents ready. You will typically need a government-issued ID, your personal details, such as your address and date of birth, your tax identification information, employment details, and bank account information if you plan to fund the account right away. Having everything prepared in advance can make the application process much smoother and faster. As you complete the application, choose a self-directed brokerage account. Then fill in all required personal and financial information carefully. Take your time here because accuracy matters when opening a financial account. Once everything looks correct, review the application and submit it. After that, the next part is simply waiting for approval. In many cases, approval can happen fairly quickly, but sometimes additional documentation may be requested to verify your identity. If that happens, just follow the instructions provided and submit what is needed so your application can continue moving forward. Once your brokerage account is approved, you can enable Thinkorswim. Log into your Schwab account, then go to the trading section and look for Thinkorswim. If prompted, enable Thinkorswim for your account. This step connects your new brokerage account with the platform so you can start using its tools. Next, decide how you want to access Thinkorswim. You can download the desktop version for Windows or Mac, use the web version directly in your browser, or install the mobile app. The best option depends on how you like to trade. The desktop version is often preferred for a more complete trading setup, while the web and mobile versions are convenient if you want flexibility. Finally, log into Thinkorswim using your Schwab username and password. Once you are inside, you can start exploring the platform. If you want to practice first, you can use paper money, which is the simulated trading environment. That is a great way to get comfortable with the platform without using real money. If you are ready to trade live, you can fund your account and begin trading the live markets. And that is how to open a Thinkorswim account from start to finish.